to another vlog. Today we're gonna do a bit of like a shopping vlog. It is right around the holidays, and so we've been really enjoying going to like TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, Marshalls, all those stores, and so today we have plans to go hit up a few of those.
We're basically going treasure hunting.
So we have a few stops planned today. It's all just shopping. Earlier we did stop by Target. Oh, I gotta show the little... He is hidden in the compartment, but we found him at Target. He's just so cute. In my very last vlog when we went to Santa Rosa, like the Peanuts Museum, I was wearing a jacket that looked just like this, and so when I saw that they had this online, I just thought that we had to get it. He's just so cute. This is Bullseye, like the Target mascot, and then he's wearing this little jacket that you can take off. Very cute stuff. Just now we also finished lunch. We had some pho, and it always hits. It's really good. And so we're all full now and ready to shop. Anything to add?
No.
We'll catch you soon. Found some pretty good stuff here at Marshalls. Pretty early on too, so I'm very excited. I've been wanting to try one of these Roll Life like Book Nook kind of DIY kits for a while, and they've always been too expensive, but we finally found it here for a little bit cheaper. And so I think we're gonna get this bookstore one. I think it's really cute. And then
I've been looking for these Emile Henry Dutch ovens. So normally Dutch ovens are made out of like cast iron. They're really, really heavy. But the Emile Henry ones, they're also made in France, just like this one, for example. But they're made out of ceramic, like really quality ceramic, and so you can cook with them too. And it's just much lighter than a normal Dutch oven, and that means we can still cook with it pretty comfortably.
We're getting pretty old to be excited by stuff like this. It's a good find though. We're really, really excited by this.
We saw a couple of these already before in this color that we liked, but they had like chips and like the ceramic is already like starting to wear away.
Yeah.
But this one's in like good condition, and it's actually cheaper than the ones we saw before.
It's only 70, right? The sticker right there.
Yep.
Yay!
Super exciting.
Waiting in line at Marshalls, and we're about to check out, and this is just gonna be our haul. So we have a little Snoopy, very cute, and there's this pot that we talked about, and then the bookstore kit. Is huge.
I know.
It's so cute. It's Miffy. What's the quality?
Just plastic. Kind of flimsy.
Doesn't really match our aesthetic, but very cute. Finding anything at TJ Maxx, but HomeGoods is right next door, and so we're gonna go stop by to see if they have anything. His little feet.
13?
Not bad.
Not bad.
$13 only. For something so cute.
Beep beep.
Hello, so we just finished up at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, HomeGoods. It was pretty fun. We didn't end up getting too much at like TJ Maxx and HomeGoods, but it's more because we have a lot of holiday decor and like stuff like that already, but it was still fun to look through what they have. I think we found the most things that were kind of relevant to us at Marshall's, so our very first stop. We ended up getting that pot that we're really excited about, and then also like this DIY craft kit, among other things. But yeah, we had a good day today. I think it's always really fun to go through HomeGoods or TJ Maxx every now and then. It really is like treasure hunting, and I don't know, sometimes I feel like there's nothing else really to do in the States. So we just kind of like to make our rounds and like revisit these stores every now and then. They are starting to do a lot of collabs, so they have like a lot of Miffy stuff, bakeware, mugs, things like that. They also have Snoopy and like Pooh, Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. So it's been pretty fun to check out like these I guess discount stores, right?
There's a ceramic brand named Magenta, and they do a lot of collabs with like Ray Dunn, which is a big brand of theirs too, but then also like she said, all these characters, and so you really can't find them anywhere else. They're made basically specifically for TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and Marshalls.
Yeah.
And so if you want it, you gotta come.
Yeah, so would highly recommend checking it out if you've never been, and if you like characters. I feel like there is a little bit of, you know, something for everyone if you're interested. And so now we're gonna head off to Walmart. We don't really go to Walmart at all ever, but there are these like two kind of oddly specific items that we've been looking for. One of them is honey butter, and the other one is like a Starbucks chestnut praline
Coffee creamer.
Yeah.
The honey butter is from this like co-op collective brand that makes butter and other stuff called Lano Lakes, and I grew up eating it, and I kind of have been on and off talking about it since we got together because I feel like it's something that's very sweet and simple that she would really like, but we've never been able to find it. And then recently I kind of dug into it a little bit more and found out that there's a Walmart somewhere close to us. I wouldn't say it's really close, that's why we haven't gotten it yet, but
Yeah.
that has it. And then also our favorite Starbucks seasonal drink is a chestnut praline latte, and they have yet to bring it back, unfortunately.
Yeah.
They said they will be bringing it back, but in the meantime, to kind of satisfy our cravings and our fix, they also released a chestnut praline latte coffee creamer that's only sold in specific retail stores. And so Walmart is like pretty much the only place nearby that we could get it. And so we're gonna kind of knock off two birds with one stone.
Yeah. We're gonna head to Walmart now and then get our little things and head home. See you soon. Been talking about this butter for literally years, and we finally get to try it now. Or I get to try it.
It's been years since I've had it too, so.
Yeah. Hello, so we're back home now. We were thinking of making some apple pie to end the night. A couple weeks ago, we went out to Santa Rosa for the Peanuts Museum, the Charles M. Schulz Museum, and we stopped by a little grocery store to get some apples. And so we're thinking of finally doing something with the apples and just making some pie. And so here we have our 4 apples, and then we also have some pie crust. I think if I had more time, I would have loved to, you know, make the pie crust from scratch, but unfortunately we're a little tight on time tonight, and so we're just gonna make our pie with the pre-made pie crust. And we're really excited. The last time we made some pie was back in, I believe, 2018 or 2019. This is gonna be our first time making apple pie in a long time. And so let's get to it. It?
Not bad, pretty good. The apples are seasoned well. There's a lot less pie crust than I expected.
Maybe next time we should make our own pie crust.
Maybe.